adventures event, Shira, begins again here at beautiful Pismo Beach. We have checked into the autograph collection here on the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous room. So let's go see. Definitely recommend it. Nice, large, spacious suite with the beach cottage feel. So if you want, come on in. There's a mirror for your dressing experience. You want to go out, make sure you're looking your best, of course. Really nice size, king size bed for your enjoyment. Now, Pismo Beach is a very popular area of Southern California. Actually, this is more mid-coastal. Lots of things to do around here. Hearst Castle, not too far up the street. Hanging out at the pier. Great shopping, great restaurants to choose from is one of Shira's and myself. It's one of our favorite locations to get away from the hustle and bustle and still enjoy a beach lifestyle, a beach experience. Gorgeous decoration. Very, very spacious. I love the tile on the floor. Dual vanity sinks. His and her. Or her and her, his and his, hey, whatever, doesn't matter. And then there's another mirror for your enjoyment. Love the shower. Very spacious. Gives you a spa-like feel when you're inside. And a separate area for your comfort. What we also love is there's a desk. So if you need to get some work done,